How to make a thumbnail people will click on. In this video I'm going to give you some tips on just that, so let's get straight into it. Make sure it is eye-catching text that people can easily read on any device. A lot of people think, oh yeah, they might be watching on their laptop or a computer, but a lot of people watch on these phones. So can they read your thumbnail? So you want to make sure they can read your thumbnails. Add your face to the thumbnail and make sure to have different expressions. If the video is about excitement, have a big exciting face in the thumbnail. If it's serious, have one like this. So you want to have a facial expression in the thumbnail with the text. Only the main words from the title you want people to focus on. So you don't want to have a load of text. You want to have maybe 5, 6, 7 words that people will focus on. Bold capital letters for the words you really want them to see first. So maybe about 3 bold, 3 capital letter words with about 2 others or 3 others. Now you want to make sure, does this thumbnail suit your genre? Is it cartoon? Is it professional? Is it for men? Is it for women? Is it for anyone of the young age, the middle age, or the older age? You want to make sure it's right for the audience. Because if you're talking about something about a business, right, you don't want some goofy cartoon. That's probably going to be memed. I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, yeah, that is what you want for that. So, also, the next tip, I don't know what number this is, that's why I don't do numbers, because I've lost track of where I am. You want to have a 50-50 split, so you want text on a black background or maybe a yellow. You want, I think the good colours is black and yellow, green is good with the black writing, black and blue is quite good, especially a light blue. So you want that on that colour, like how I do my thumbnails. Then you want the facial expression as well. Don't use too many colours though. Some people have all of these bright colours, purple, pink, and it's just too crazy and looks too mad and it's too confusing, especially if you go to the channel, right? If you go to videos or some of these channels, you think, whoa, your thumbnails may look good in search, but I can't tell what this video is and what that, and I have to look at the text and it gets way too confusing. Also, add elements, circle, box, arrow. You want to say, ooh, you know, if there's something you want people to focus on, use a red arrow, use a circle, use a big square, use a box. Make sure to use elements in your thumbnail. Now, if you did enjoy this video and you are brand new, please subscribe for more content just like this and a wide variety on YouTube, tricks, tips and advice. And why not check out this video up here or this playlist down here that you may find useful. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.